welcome back. It's been a while, I know. Thing is, I got very overwhelmed doing the dress, and I finished it, and I got married. We went on our honeymoon to Japan. It was fantastic. I will eventually finish editing the video for that. But yeah, just everything came at me so quick, and it's a lot of footage and I'm a bit overwhelmed. So I decided to ease back into YouTube again, doing something fun and cozy and Christmassy. And so I wanted to decorate the house without having to buy as much as I can. I did have a couple things around the house that I already had from other years. But yeah, most of the things that I'm gonna decorate with are just some crafty stuff. I'm gonna cue you back to a couple days before when I started preparing, and yeah, a whole lot of crafting in this episode. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you at the end, and welcome back. Thank you for being here. Also, if this is your first time being here, I am Espertillas and I am a sewist and general craftsy, artsy person on YouTube. So get cozy, get a little warm drink, and enjoy. Madre, comprarme una de estas tablas para cortar, que me viene con una cuadrícula de centímetros, es el mejor favor que me he hecho. Ah, this is so cute! Oh my god! Mira! I'm in Germany, so it's already dark out, so I'm already cozied up. I finished the garland, so over there, I don't know if you can see it. I'll hang it tomorrow when there's light. Right now I'm planning to do like another garland but with stars. I've been doing some math here, which I will explain, and I'm gonna cut them on some yellow paper and also do some 5-point stars that are smaller. This paper, very pretty, and I think might be a cool contrast, and maybe I could also like draw something here in the middle. But yeah, I'm gonna focus on here and I'm gonna I'll draw some measurements on the screen so you can know. Okay, so I've decided to go with one of the ones that I bought here, the the brown one to be precise, because this was a bit too thick and too rough, and it was very hard to thread through. And if I need to like keep pushing them back, I'm afraid, yeah, it's gonna make the holes huge and then they won't stay in place, etc, etc. So I'm gonna go with this. Just don't think about it. Magic! Wow.
It's a little bit crooked.
Nice.
Ta-da! A little bit crooked is okay. It's a
More realistic.
More natural look.
Goodness, we have a little forest already. What color do you want?
This.
Okay, I'll take this. Pew pew. Pew pew. Ah! Pew pew. Don't bring a knife to a gunfight, my boy.
Not a knife.
Yeah, I know, it's just how the saying goes.
I don't care, it's not a knife.
Some pliers. Even worse.
Us.
Nothing, yours looks so nice. So clean, and mine is so messy. Next one will be better. Okay.
Well, I don't know how to do that.
You just slap a bunch of glue that is the width of the band for like a bit. Don't do the whole train. Just like that. And just
Sure we have enough band? How much did you buy?
I have other bands.
2 meters. That's not gonna be enough.
Nice. Different styles. What happened?
You're shit at judging quantities.
Yeah, I am.
So you bought 2 meters,
I should have bought 2 of each.
but you wanted to loop. So now I have 2 meters and it's already...
Damn it. How is this 2 meters of fabric? Oh no.
Look, each loop is like...
1.5. This is 1.5 meters of ribbon. That's crazy.
What about these two?
Yeah, no, we can't do those two. Clearly.
You
This will take like 5 meters. If this is taking like 3. I'll try to finish what I have here. Ta-da! Could be better, but it's pretty cute. Hi, it's time to make some curtains. I currently have this. This is like the tape, curtain tape thing that I harvested off the back of the old curtains, because this is used, you know, to put pins and make nice folds, and also it gives them some sturdiness actually. And so I've basically measured, and it's exactly the width of one side of the bedsheet, which is exactly perfect. I would have liked to make the curtains a bit wider, but since I only have this amount of tape, it would be a pity not to use it. I've already taken it out. So yeah, we're gonna make them a bit short, a bit narrower, but it still looks okay. It was the previous width of the curtain, so I know it looks fine. And so yeah, I do want to make a little ruffle though, and this is an 80 by 80 cushion pillowcase that came with the thing. I've already turned it outside inside out because I want to cut it. Hello. Anyway, I do want a little ruffle. With it, so I have measured this is 80 by 80, and if I open it up and cut it in half, it's kind of exactly right for one panel each. And I think with just the one set, we would have enough for both curtains, which is awesome because that means I can use the other cotton gauze to make myself clothes. So yeah. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love how the place turned out, all the decorations. I am honestly so in love. It feels so cozy and whimsical right now because it's already dark outside. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a happy holiday season and happy new year. Bye bye. Love you. Ta-ta.